elemental Ramachandra next part of it. So here one person told backups basically are there. So if by chance basically the world will end, Chinese group basically say that basically they are basically well prepared basically. They create the entire city basically in one day basically. So nuclear power plant basically they might create in just 1 hour basically. So assume basically that this type of situation basically occur. But this has never tested basically. And the rule of the earth planet say that basically rules of earth planet. They say that basically each and every stuff is supposed to be tested. So here one person told this also basically one day they are going to test basically. For this Chinese groups are going to be used. Why? Because they create entire city basically in just one day basically. So nuclear power plant basically is not a big deal basically. So here one person told that Chinese group basically are belonged to the Indian community basically. Chinese basically country started their creation basically from India land somewhere basically. Where basically that I don't know. But Chinese community basically started their journey basically from one of the India land basically. So that's the history basically. We can't say basically what is correct and what is wrong basically. But people says basically the history is like the Indo-Aryan basically community basically. So here one person told the Chinese language basically is connected with one of the symbolic symbol basically. That book basically I had told. And that symbol basically is connected with some 1 lakh planet basically. That means basically the symbol basically which where the Indian language basically contain that language basically is also basically having some symbol basically. That means this symbol is passing the data to Chinese language symbol basically. But one symbol in the earth planet basically is main basically. For example, Sanskrit and Tamil basically is the main language. They are passing the language data to entire world basically. So next video.